Hello guys, welcome to Jayflair. My name is Joy. Today's video is going to be a sewing tutorial where I'll be showing you how to join all the pattern pieces of this beautiful dress on the screen. This is the front piece. The first thing I'll do is to turn the neckline. I'll turn the neckline. With the lining. After turning the neckline, I'll sew it ½ inch. I'll notch, then I'll do an under stitch, and then I'll also draw gathers separately. I'll draw gathers on this side of the front and this side, then I'll also draw gathers on the lining. So I've joined the neckline. That's for the front only, and I notched and did an under stitch. Then I also I changed my mind about gathers. Instead of gathers, I decided to just create small tuck that instead of drawing gathers, because this fabric is very strong and I didn't like the look of the gathers. So this is what I have. I like it like this. So the next thing I will do is to join the upper part, the stomach area to this part. I'll just match it and then join, and do the same thing on the lining. Then for the back, what I will do at the back is to turn the neckline, the back neckline. That's the only thing I'll be doing at the back for now. I'll just turn the back neckline, then notch. Okay, that's what I'll be doing at the back for now. This is what I have right now. I have given it up, and I had to give it a good press. I've joined the front to the lining, and for the back, I only joined the neckline. I have ironed it. So the next thing I'll do is to join it along the shoulder seam. Right sides facing each other. I'll just take fabric to fabric, lining to lining, then join along the shoulder seam. I have joined it along the shoulder seam, so I've joined the front and the back together. So the next thing I'll do is I'm going to turn the hem line. I think that will be the easiest way to make this dress right now. So I'm going to turn the hem line of the back and the front. I'll just place it like this, right side facing each other, right side of the fabric and right side of the lining. Then I'll run a stitch. I will also do the same for the lining. I'll do the same thing for the lining. So I'll just turn the hem line of the front and the back only. I won't touch the sides yet. I have joined the hem line of the front and the back, and I've given it a good press. So I'll just set this aside and work on the sleeve. For the sleeve, the first thing I will do is is to turn the hemline of the sleeve. Just half inch was what I left, so I'll just run a stitch down, then do an under stitch here. That's the first thing I'll do on the sleeve, the hemline. Now I've joined the lining and the fabric of the sleeve. This is what it looks like. I did an under stitch and I've given it a good press. So the next thing I'll do is to join the sleeve to the dress, the top. Now this is not how I sew normally, but because of the style, that's why I'm doing it like this. So I'll just match it. This is the shoulder notch on the sleeve from the pattern. I'll match it to the shoulder seam here, then I'll just join like this round the armhole for the two sides. I've joined the sleeve to the body, and this is what it looks like. So what I'll do is to use my weaving machine to just finish up all the rough edges. Very neat. So I'll just set this aside for now, then I'll work on the down part. So the first thing I'll do here is to gather. I'm going to gather this upper part. I'll roll my gathers on the upper part. I have gathered the down part. So the next thing I'll do is I'll place the front and the back on the gathered part. This is the center. It's the center of the front. I just use my chalk to mark it. And this is the center of the down part. So I'll just place it like this, pin it down. You can see that it's much like the upper part and the down part, they are equal on this side. So when you gather, if you're not sure of the measurement, you can place your pattern paper on this part. Place your pattern paper to get the exact measurements. So what I'll be doing next is to run a stitch. I'll just run a stitch on this part, following this shape. Now if you check the picture, you would notice that there are beads on this side covering that is going to cover the stitch eventually, and there are beads on the underbust area. So this is like the easiest way to sew this dress. This is the easiest way. So I'll just match a stitch on this part, then I'll finish it off with my bead. I'll use my bead, my stones, and so on to embellish it, to cover the seam. I have top stitched the upper part with the down. This is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. It's coming out well. I'm so excited about this project. And I did the same thing for the back. I've not fixed my zip yet, but I'll just cut into a little, like let's say 5 inches down, then fix my zip. I decided not to open up the down part. I just like it like this. So the next thing I'll do is to join the sides. I'll just join the sides, then I'll weave it at the end. I don't have time to weave now. Just ensure that you match all the seams properly, correctly. Then I'll sew all the way to the hem line. I'll sew all the way to the hem line. I have joined the sides, so I use matching thread all the way from this part to the waist, to this area. And I also used an orange thread to finish this part. So the next thing I'll do is to work on the hem line, and I decided to use this crinoline to finish the hem line because I wanted to have this to have a very nice spread. So I'm going to be using the crinoline to finish off the hem line. So this is what I have right now. You can see how beautiful the hem line is after using the crinoline to turn it. That's the crinoline. So this dress came out well. What's left now is to fix the beads and stones I'll be using for my embellishments. I'll do that and show you what the final look is like. It's so beautiful, came out well. I'm happy about this project. I love it so much. I decided to use this applique I found. I think it looks great. Maybe I'll add these crystals. I might add, I have enough time. Okay, so this is where we are right now. I'm almost done. So I'm going to be stitching with my needle and fishing line. I'm going to be unstitching them on the dress. Okay, so this is the arrangements that I made. I just hope it's fine. Let me know your thoughts. Maybe I should adjust this one. I don't know. What do you think? Is it looking better? Okay, I'll figure out exactly what to do, then I'll show you the final look of this dress. This is the final look of the dress. It came out so beautiful and I love it so much. Thank you all for watching till the end. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Have a lovely day. Bye.